I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change the background of the video. You can change any video background, either it is multicolor or single color, it doesn't matter, but you can change the video background just in one click. So what you have to do is go in your Play Store and search the app called AI Green Skin. You can see in my screen I am installing the app AI Green Skin. You can also install it from the description. I will put the link in the description. You can change the background of the video as well as photo by this app, but I will show you how to change the video background. So after the app is installed, open the app. Now after opening, you will see the interface like this. For to change the video background, pick video from gallery. So click there and choose one of the video. So I am selecting video. After selecting video, it will show running AI. And after some time it will start rendering the video. So video is rendered. I will trim the video to select the person. The person is moving in this video. First the person is not showing, so it will take some time. And you can see there is one 3 dot option. After the person is selected, click there and change the setting into video AI to accurate and AI sensitivity to detect people only. This thing you have to take in consideration. So after that, there is one arrow at the top. Click there and slide left. There is one green mountain type stock option. Click there and you can see your video background is changed into green. You can use any of the video editor to use chroma key to change the background. And there is, when you slide left, there is one option called swipe video background. So you can swipe the background of other video into it. So you can see I have swiped the background of other video into this. After you have done successfully, there is one option at the top arrow. Click there and at third last option there is, you can see swipe background. So select one of the background image from the gallery. So I am selecting one image from the gallery. After selecting the image, adjust the person according to the video. So after adjusting, there is at the top left corner arrow. Click there. So there is one pen type option. When you click there, it will say and chroma. So from here you can also use the chroma key to remove the green screen, but for now we don't need. You can also use AI to choose it to do automatically. So when you click AI, it will see there is one detect people only. So to remove the background, you can choose detect people, but now we don't need this. So there is one SD card option at the right top. Click there and you will see there are different APS. So there is, you can create new video, select video frame rate and tab start render. So you have to choose the different APS. So for now I will choose the lower APS to do quickly. Here the APS you choose, the more time it will take. So one disadvantage of this app is it will take a long time. You can start render and leave it and go somewhere, and after some time you will see your video is rendered successfully. Now the video is rendering. After completely rendered, I will play and show the video. So I also left the video to render and went somewhere. So video is rendered completely. Now I will play. You see, our video background is changed. Due to the lower FPS I choose, it is not so good. So thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.